Yep, today I want to show you how to sidechain your kick to your bass in FL Studio 20. I'm El Proto. This is all one Pro Studio. Let's jump in it. Now let's check out the beat. So this is how I normally do it even before FL 20. Now I come here. This is the kick here. Now I just removed the formal routing I did. So I come to the bass. That is the bass. This arrow here under the bass routes this track. Let me load up another fruity limiter. Let me just replace this one, the one I used before, fruity limiter. Okay, now this fruity limiter. Come to the compressor. Then I come to this place that is written sidechain and make it 1. So I take down this threshold and put on the compression there. So anytime the kick hits, there's a dip, kind of make the bass lower. So let me even say why we need this side chaining. Now, sometimes your kick and your bass, they are struggling as if they are fighting for space. Now, when you side chain, what happens is anytime the kick hits, the bass kind of deepens in volume. Now, you see what I mean here. Let me play this now. Now that's exaggerated, but it's just to show you anytime the kick hit, the bass just goes lower. So listen to it again. So just the bass and the kick. That's what happens. I overdid it there. I can take it up, take up the threshold a little. And where do I have this? So what you're supposed to raise is the ratio. Let's hear it. That's how I normally do it. But FL20 has this side chain. So let me remove this by right clicking. Let me try the side chain to this track. Side chain to this track. And it still works. That's it on how to sidechain in FL Studio 20. Maybe you have other way to do it. I would like to see it. Leave it in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to leave a link to this beat in the description of this video. You can check it out, and I'll leave a video on how I made this hip-hop beat in the description of this video too. You can check it out. Like this video if you like it, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. I'm El Proto. This is All One Pro Studio. That's it. I'm the best.